Three or four men in your office. They are standing half naked without their shirts on. And they put their hands up like this. And you come close to them and you smell their underarms like this. Smell. And you write down a degree of smell on your note from 1 to 10. 1 means non-smell. 10 means very awful, disgusting smell. It's hard to believe it, but it's an existing job. This job is a bad smell connoisseur. Betty Lyons in Cincinnati has been working for 35 years. Now, she is researching the methods in deodorization. So, there are many jobs more than we already know in the world. From now, I would like to introduce unusual and strange jobs. First, if you have a big fight with your friends or family, you or they should apologize first. But maybe it's a little hard. So, in China, there is a job called as sorry spokesperson in case of this situation. Chinese think self-respect is very important as much as relationship with other people. So they don't say sorry a lot, but they apologize to people arguing with them by using a sorry spokesperson on behalf of them. This job does not require specific qualification, but need to study psychology and human relations approach. Second, you can see that golf balls fall into the water hazard in golf course. These balls are taken up by golf ball divers. Draining all the water in water hazard is the best way to collect balls, but it costs high to drain and refill the water. So, a manager of a golf course makes some contract with golf ball divers, and golf ball divers dive into the water hazard and collect balls and send them to repair factory. After that, they resell these balls named as lost ball for half price. These jobs could be just funny and unusual to us, but people who engage in these jobs are working with enthusiasm and responsibility. So you will have a job in the future, even though you take on an unimportant job or project. Just do your best. The unimportant tasks makes you an important person in your company. Thank you for your attention.
Surprising! Really funny. Sorry.